The phone is on the sofa.
The phone is on the sofa.
The cat is in the bag.
The cat is in the bag.
The ball rolled under the table.
The ball rolled under the table.
The clock hangs above the TV.
The clock hangs above the TV.
She sat behind the wall.
She sat behind the wall.
The bird is on the roof.
The bird is on the roof.
His wallet is in his pocket.
His wallet is in his pocket.
The bag is under the chair.
The bag is under the chair.
The child hid behind the curtain.
The child hid behind the curtain.
The picture is on the board.
The picture is on the board.
The class starts at 9 a.m.
The class starts at 9 a.m.
I was born in 2000.
I was born in 2000.
We go shopping on Sunday.
We go shopping on Sunday.
She left after lunch.
She left after lunch.
They reached before sunset.
They reached before sunset.
He called during dinner.
He called during dinner.
We slept until morning.
We slept until morning.
The bell rings at noon.
The bell rings at noon.
She runs in the morning.
She runs in the morning.
I take tea in the evening.
I take tea in the evening.
He went to the park.
He went to the park.
She drove into the garage.
She drove into the garage.
The dog ran towards me.
The dog ran towards me.
They came from school.
They came from school.
The paper flew out of the window.
The paper flew out of the window.
He climbed up the ladder.
He climbed up the ladder.
The bird flew over the wall.
The bird flew over the wall.
We walked around the market.
We walked around the market.
The child jumped onto the bed.
The child jumped onto the bed.
The coin rolled under the sofa.
The coin rolled under the sofa.
I sat next to him.
I sat next to him.
The keys are by the lamp.
The keys are by the lamp.
The store is near my house.
The store is near my house.
I stood in front of the shop.
I stood in front of the shop.
She stood between the boys.
She stood between the boys.
He waited outside the class.
He waited outside the class.
We went inside the hall.
We went inside the hall.
They stood among the crowd.
They stood among the crowd.
He is hiding beneath the bed.
He is hiding beneath the bed.
The dog is underneath the couch.
The dog is underneath the couch.
I walked with my friend.
I walked with my friend.
She talked to her teacher.
She talked to her teacher.
He smiled at his dad.
He smiled at his dad.
I played with my brother.
I played with my brother.
She sang for her mom.
She sang for her mom.
He sat beside me.
He sat beside me.
She danced with joy.
She danced with joy.
He looked at her.
He looked at her.
She came with her sister.
She came with her sister.
I waited for him.
I waited for him.
The marker is on the board.
The marker is on the board.
The chair is under the desk.
The chair is under the desk.
The student is at the table.
The student is at the table.
The teacher stood in front of the class.
The teacher stood in front of the class.
The chalk is in the box.
The chalk is in the box.
The bag is behind the door.
The bag is behind the door.
I sit next to Sarah.
I sit next to Sarah.
My books are on the floor.
My books are on the floor.
The fan is above the light.
The fan is above the light.
The duster is under the chair.
The duster is under the chair.
We traveled by bus.
We traveled by bus.
She came by train.
She came by train.
He went on a bike.
He went on a bike.
I came by taxi.
I came by taxi.
She arrived in a car.
She arrived in a car.
They left in a hurry.
They left in a hurry.
We moved through traffic.
We moved through traffic.
He ran past the bus.
He ran past the bus.
She jumped off the bus.
She jumped off the bus.
He got into the cab.
He got into the cab.
They live in Paris.
They live in Paris.
The shop is on Main Street.
The shop is on Main Street.
The hotel is near the airport.
The hotel is near the airport.
The house is next to the river.
The house is next to the river.
We stayed at the inn.
We stayed at the inn.
She moved to London.
She moved to London.
The city is beside the sea.
The city is beside the sea.
He came from Canada.
He came from Canada.
The bridge goes over the river.
The bridge goes over the river.
They hiked through the forest.
They hiked through the forest.
He wrote with a pen.
He wrote with a pen.
She cut it with scissors.
She cut it with scissors.
I cleaned with a cloth.
I cleaned with a cloth.
They cooked with butter.
They cooked with butter.
He painted with blue.
He painted with blue.
I fixed it with tape.
I fixed it with tape.
She mixed it with water.
She mixed it with water.
He opened it with a key.
He opened it with a key.
I stirred it with a spoon.
I stirred it with a spoon.
She made tea with sugar.
She made tea with sugar.
He is afraid of dogs.
He is afraid of dogs.
I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
She is tired of waiting.
She is tired of waiting.
We are excited about the trip.
We are excited about the trip.
I am good at sports.
I am good at sports.
She is interested in art.
She is interested in art.
He is late for school.
He is late for school.
I'm ready for class.
I'm ready for class.
She works with me.
She works with me.
He goes to college daily.
He goes to college daily.